So Green Start is a project that's funded through the North East Combined Authority. It's a programme that we deliver at Newcastle City Council in partnership with Karbon Homes and Bernicia. The programme's all about giving people an opportunity to start a career, start a role within the green and the low carbon sector. So we wanted to do a bit of engagement and do a pre-employment course that would help people develop the knowledge, develop the skills and a little bit of awareness about what kind of jobs are available in this sector, with the idea of them matching them up to an employer who was looking to recruit.
My name is Richard Blackwell, the CEO of CrowdHouse Energy. CrowdHouse Energy is a company that was incorporated in 2019. We are leaders in megawatt scale urban PV generation. You know, our relationship with Green Start was just another opportunity, a great opportunity with Karbon Homes and Newcastle City Council for us to tap into an area and a pool of people that we previously wouldn't have been exposed to.
We did think that this was a great opportunity to give someone that has been out of the workforce an opportunity to get back into work, but also helping us fulfill our own resource gap. It's been a perfect alignment between what they were trying to achieve and what our business needs are. And also it has helped us develop talent in the Northeast, which is what we're always looking to do.
I used to be a Karbon Home tenant living in Amble, and I was contacted by the employment advisor in Karbon Homes. She suggested to me that there were programs that help people who are unemployed, find employment and support them throughout a journey. The interview process wasn't only about qualifications, it was mostly about personalities and how would you fit in a work environment. Before Green Start, I really struggled, to find or to get into an interview. I was applying and without any success. Just going through the Green Start program, I had 3 interviews, just like that, and it was a really switch in my, in my life.
ICOR is relatively new. We've been going for about 3 years. We help businesses with their legal compliance. It initially was just environmental, but we're just about to launch a health and safety module as well. Without blowing his trumpet too much, Ahmed's just been a dream. He's just fit right into our team. He wants to make the same positive change in businesses that we're trying to achieve. I would absolutely recommend the Green Start programme. Of course, it's helped in terms of the funding as well. It's helped with affordability to bridge that gap before their contracts are extended. But also in terms of time, it gives us that time back, and that's been really valuable to us.